This is quite a common failing point on these cars, the Astra H, the centre subframe mounting point that goes to the chassis. Corrodes like hell, all the shit just gets stuck in it. You have problems getting the subframe bolt off, you end up having to change the captives and then chapping the captives out. And here's the reason that we're stripping this in the first place. So I don't know if I can get my phone in here so you can see. It's really difficult. Just above there there's a hole. Really hard to see the GoPro. But basically just above that bolt there, there's a hole that I can put my finger into here. So we're going to need to cut this off, get this bit of rock cut out, replace it, and then weld this back on and seal it. Another wee trick just to show you is that if you're dropping the subframes and the lower mounts hold the radiator support up. So can't really see very well with the GoPro once again, but there's rubber mounts in here that kind of slot in, and the lower mounts hold the radiator from falling down. So if you take the subframe off, some cable ties just to hold the radiator, the actual radiator and the condenser up. To disconnect the power steering pump that's mounted on the subframe, I've got a plug down here. I've also got a ground cable and the supply through a fuse. This ground cable. And the supply through this fuse is just an 8mm bolt, and then you just lower the cables with the pump. So I've just stripped this one. These shockeys I'm going to kind of rebuild, get them cleaned up. I've got new dust boots, the springs are going to get powder coated, and I've got a new spring perches as well. See, these are all cracked. It's just for 800 quid suspension, not very good. These are seized and they're made of plastic, metal inside and plastic outside. They're all destroyed. So we've got replacements for ST or KW in the UK. Pretty bad that these are made of plastic, I'll be honest. So I'm going to get these cut off, get these dipped in acid, treated, coated, and then springs powder coated and put back together. I've also got new top mounts, well, two top mount bearings. These are, hopefully that new mic picks that up for you. Not good. So these are shagged as well. Sometimes I heard a twang coming through the springs on the front right, so it must be this. We'll strip the other side as well. These aren't good either, this side's the same. Good job I've got new ones. Springs corroded to fuck. These are not even that old as well. So we'll get these in and get these powder coated. So these are 15 quid for KW each. 15 quid. Bastards. And this is seized solid. These are going to be cut off. The corrosion on that, man. No way was I getting that off without cutting them. Just taking the measurements so the car can go back to the same right height.